Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You can now access the cabin filter, which is located on the upper left of the engine compartment. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the plastic holding rivet on the fabric cover, levering it off on the central part. Then, remove the second part of the rivet. Do the same operation on the second rivet. Then, remove the fabric cover. Pull the cover located on the left under the windscreen bay in the engine compartment. Remove the filter. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
There are three types of cabin filter. White filters, known as pollen filters, remove dust, while the black filters, known as active carbon filters, remove smells and gases. A new generation of filters also make it possible to filter out very fine particles that may cause allergies, and despite their slightly higher cost, they can prove to be the right choice. You will find the recommended cabin filter in the video description. Put the filter back in place on its support, making sure to check the airflow direction. The arrows should point downwards. Replace the cover. Put the fabric cover back on, replacing the central part of the plastic rivets, then the second ones. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.